lightly I can explain. Isothermal process, Nana. Look here. ORR, cyclic process. Look here. Iso, in the chemistry, iso means ruchi, same. Okay? Thermal means temperature. Look here. According to this concept, isothermal means Ahi Krishna, temperature is constant. Okay? Temperature constant. Temperature constant means change in internal energy defined as U final minus U initial. ఇందాకే చెప్పా ఇంటర్నల్ ఎనర్జీ డైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు టెంపరేచర్. సింప్లీ రైట్ యాజ్ టీ ఫైనల్ మైనస్ టీ ఇనీషియల్. హియర్ ఇనీషియల్ టెంపరేచర్ 5, final temperature also 5, because according to condition isothermal process. Isothermal process means temperature is constant. Simply change in internal energy becomes 0. ORR, cyclic process. What is the cyclic process? This is called cyclic process. Here ekkada start ayyam? A. Ekkada end ayyam? A. Simply call as, look here now. Ekkada start ayyam? A. Ekkada end ayyam? A. Simply call as initial state to final state to same. That process is called cyclic process. In the situation also you cancel, change in internal energy becomes 0. Last week ఇవన్నీ చెప్పాను. ఐసోథర్మల్ ప్రాసెస్ అన్నా ఓకే, సైక్లిక్ ప్రాసెస్ అన్నా simply call as temperature constant and easily to write du becomes 0. Okay, this is the conclusion. What is the first law of thermodynamics, Sushrit? dq equal to, first law of thermodynamics, dq equal to du plus dw. Here du becomes what? 0. Simply write as dq equal to dw. Look here Nana. What is the isothermal process? du equal to 0. మరి ఇక్కడ 0 పెట్టాం. dq equal to ఏమవుతుంది? dw. అంటే heat supplied to the system can only work done, can be utilized only one purpose, that is work done. This is the first process. Write down dq equal to ఏమవుతుంది in the situation? dw process. Adiabatic process. Adiabatic process occur in bad conducting vessel. Look here now. Bad conducting vessel, bad conducting piston. What is the bad conducting, Harshavardhan? Bad conducting means heat cannot be transferred system to surrounding. ORR, surrounding to system. Simply call as bad conducting vessel means heat cannot be transferred system to surrounding. ORR, surrounding to system. Simply here heat transfer becomes 0. Okay, what is the first law of thermodynamics? dq equal to du plus dw. Okay, హీట్ ఇక్కడ 0 పెట్టేయండి. 0 పెడితే ఏమైందో చూసి చెప్తారా ఇప్పుడు? du plus dw. According to this situation, du equal to minus dw. Okay, this is the formula now. Here, look here, this is the cylindrical vessel now providing a piston. This is the bad conducting vessel, kondalu, bad conducting vessel. Here gas is there nana. Here nana, here some weight is placed. Some weight is placed. What happens, Vijendra? Piston moving downward. What happens? The gas compress. Gas compress means dw. What happens? Negative. Minus dw. Simply in the situation, du ఏమైందో తెలుసా? పాజిటివ్ ప్లస్ du కదా. du is positive. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? du positive means increase the internal energy. Internal energy nothing but the temperature. That means simply here temperature increase. Simply once again I repeat. Here some weights will be placed on the piston. Because of weights, piston moving downward. What happens? The gas compress in the situation, dw negative. But according to this formula, du is positive. Positive means increase the internal energy. That means increase the temperature. In the situation, gas temperature increase. Gas temperature increase. Okay? దీన్ని వైస్ వర్సా చెప్పొచ్చు చూడండి. ఓకేనా? వైస్ వర్సా చెప్పొచ్చు చూడండి. Look here nana. Bad conducting vessel. Look here. Piston. This is the gas. Look here. dw equal to minus du. Look here. Same formula. dw equal to plus other side minus in the situation. dw positive. Positive means work done by the gas. అంటే వర్క్ డన్ ఎక్స్పాండ్ అవ్వాలిగా. ఎక్స్పాండ్ అవ్వాలంటే పిస్టన్ని పైకి లాగాలి. పిస్టన్ని పైకి లాగితే గ్యాస్ ఏమైనట్టు? ఎక్స్పాండ్. ఇది సరిపోయింది. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఏమొచ్చింది అప్పుడు? మైనస్ du. మైనస్ du మీన్స్ decrease in the internal energy. That means decrease in the internal energy means temperature decrease. అంటే here piston moving upward, gas expand, temperature of the gas what happens? Decrease. Meanings అలా ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా? ఇదే ప్రాసెస్ ఏంటంటే adiabatic process. In the adiabatic process, heat cannot be transferred. dq becomes what here? 0. I discuss isochoric process. Next nana, I discuss isobaric process. This is the last topic today nana. Okay, I give 10 problems, 6 to 7 conceptual questions. Today solve all. Okay, look here. Isochoric process. Iso same, choric volume. That means here volume is constant. Okay, volume constant. What happens to the work formula? pdv. P into dv. V final minus V initial. P initial 5, finally 5. According to condition Vijendra Verma, volume is constant. 5 minus 5 0. That means work done becomes 0. What is the first law of thermodynamics, Sushri? dq equal to du plus dW. In the situation, work done becomes what? 0. Simply write as dq equal to du. Simply total heat utilized to increase the internal energy. In the what situation is the isochoric process. Next situation nana isobaric process. Iso means same, baric means pressure. In the situation, pressure is constant. Pressure is constant. Here, what is the dW? PdV. No change in work. What is the first law of thermodynamics? dq equal to du plus dW. In the situation, dW not equal to 0. Here heat utilized two purposes. One is change in internal energy, another one is external work done. నన్న అప్పుడప్పుడు కంపారిజన్ వస్తుంది. ఎక్కడ మోర్ హీట్ రిక్వైర్ అంటాడు. ఐసోకోరిక్లో హీట్కి ఫార్ములా డియు, ఐసోబారిక్లో హీట్కి ఫార్ములా డిక్యూ ఈక్వల్ టు డియు ప్లస్ డిడబ్ల్యూ. డియు ప్లస్ డిడబ్ల్యూ అంటే ఇక్కడ హీట్ అనేది టూ పర్పసెస్లో ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఒకటి ఇంటర్నల్ ఎనర్జీ చేంజ్ చేయడానికి, ఎక్స్టర్నల్ వర్క్ డన్. ఇక్కడ టూ పర్పసెస్, ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ వన్ పర్పస్. అంటే ఎక్కడ హీట్ ఎక్కడ మోర్ హీట్ రిక్వైర్ అవుతుంది? ఇన్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్ సింప్లీ కాల్ యాజ్ మోర్ హీట్ రిక్వైర్. మోర్ హీట్ రిక్వైర్ ఇన్ వాట్ ప్రాసెస్? ఐసోబారిక్ ప్రాసెస్. Less heat required where isochoric process.